Hey, you. Yeah, you. Stop scrolling. Let me guess. You were just watching a how to make 7 figures in 7 minutes video, right? It's okay. We've all been there. Honestly, I'm only filming this right now so I can procrastinate on my own actual work. Look, I know what's going on in that brain of yours. You've got this billion-dollar idea that's keeping you up at night, but your brain is currently holding a protest. You're telling yourself, I'll start once I'm ready, or I just need to watch one more tutorial. You will never be ready. And I'm not. I'm literally the one talking to you. My disk is covered in half-baked notes and brilliant ideas that are currently just JPEGs in a folder. So let's spend next minutes being real with each other. Here's the thing, your brain is kind of an idiot. Seriously. It's hardwired to think that starting a business is basically the same as fighting a bear in the wilderness. You're just trying to launch an online store, but your amygdala is screaming, "We're gonna die!" And then there is that perfectionism thing. We use it like a fancy shield. Oh, I can't launch the website yet. The font isn't perfect. No, you're just terrified of people finding out you're a human being. Psychologists call it resistance. I call it high-level laziness. We tell ourselves, I need more budget. Buddy, you can barely afford an extra topping on your pizza, but you're stressing over a lack of capital. Start small. If you fail, at least you'll have a funny story of your future autobiography. Let's address the elephant in the room. Money. I start with exactly $0. How? By being annoying resourceful. When you're broke, you don't have the luxury of paying someone else to do the work. You have to learn the skill. You learn how to sell, you learn how to make contact, you learn how to talk to people. People with big budgets usually just pay their way out of problems, which makes them lazy. When you're broke, you're a ninja. You've got a smartphone in your hand right now. There's a mini production studio, a marketing agency, and a storefront all in one. If you haven't started, the problem isn't the bank account. It's the chair you're sitting on. Fast forward 10 years, you're sitting there maybe a bit balder, a bit grayer, telling your kids, back in my days, I had this great idea, but I watched a really cool video about it instead of doing it. That sounds depressing, right? There's this thing called action bias. Your brain only figures out how to solve a problem once you start hitting your head against the wall. You can manifest a business while sitting in a shower or doom scrolling. You gotta get out there, launch the things, and let's be honest, you're gonna make some messes. But the only way to learn, I'm currently learning how to fix the messes I made yesterday. It's a full-time job, but it beats being bored. Here's my lazy person success strategy. I call it 5-minute rule. You tell yourself, I am only going to work on this for 5 minutes. Build one page, write one email, research one keyword, 5 minutes. That's it. Once you start, the fear in your brain comes down. Usually you end up working for an hour anyway. But the trick is tricking your brain into starting. Dream big, but execute like you're a toddler. one tiny step at a time. Alright, what are you gonna do now? Don't click on another video, how to get rich. Seriously, close the laptop or put the phone down and go to that one thing. If you're actually gonna do it, type "I'm an idiot and I'm starting" in the comments. It's a binding legal contract between us. Don't worry, it's not really, but just type it. Go build something mediocre, because mediocre better than zero. Catch you later.